I brush my teeth before going to bed. She enjoys gardening in her backyard. He watches his favorite TV show every evening. We go for a hike in the mountains on weekends. They practice their basketball skills at the court. The sun rises in the morning, signaling a new day. The birds build their nests with twigs and leaves. The baby coos and giggles with joy. The teacher gives assignments to the students. My sister plays the violin in the school orchestra. I prepare breakfast for myself every morning. She writes in her journal to express her thoughts. He runs on the treadmill for exercise. We have a family barbecue in the backyard. They enjoy playing board games on family game night. The river flows calmly through the valley. The waves gently roll onto the sandy beach. The plane circles in the sky before landing. My parents support my decisions and aspirations. The cat stretches lazily in the sunlight. I practice my singing skills in the shower. She takes dance lessons to improve her technique. He fixes a leaky pipe in the bathroom. We go on a road trip to explore new places. They play tennis at the local club. The moon glows in the dark night sky. The stars twinkle like diamonds above us. The computer processes data quickly. My friend shares her stories with enthusiasm. The baby babbles and plays with toys. I check my email for important messages. She takes photographs of beautiful landscapes. He walks his dog in the park every day. We have a family dinner at home. They enjoy playing card games with friends. The sun warms the earth's surface. The birds sing sweet melodies in the trees. The baby needs a diaper change. The teacher guides the students in their learning. My sister plays the guitar with skill and passion. I jog in the park for exercise. She meets her friends for coffee at the cafe. He watches a movie at the theater. We go for a picnic in the park. They play soccer on the weekends. The moon shines brightly in the night sky. The stars twinkle like tiny lights. The computer beeps when it starts up. My friend shares her lunch with me. The baby giggles and claps her hands.